Canister vacuums are a top choice for homeowners who want powerful suction, versatile cleaning, and easy maneuverability. Designed with a separate canister and cleaning wand, these vacuums excel at reaching tight spaces, cleaning stairs, and tackling multiple floor types. Whether you need to deep clean carpets, gently care for hardwood, or remove pet hair from upholstery, a quality canister vacuum can handle it all with ease. Number 1. Eureka, the Mite 3670G Canister Vacuum. Starting with our best choice, this fantastic, lightweight canister vacuum cleaner is the ultimate domestic appliance that will turn your house vacuuming routine around. With a capacity of 2.5 liters, the Mite 3670G by Eureka is the perfect appliance for fast, complete cleaning. It comes equipped with a set of tools to help you take care of carpets, upholstery, and your car. This powerful device has a sleek design, weighs 9 pounds for easy portability, and has a 20-foot power cord with quick release. The 12-amp motor makes powerful suction for tough carpets and challenging to reach angles. This canister vacuum comes with 2 extension wands and a crevice tool, the upholstery nozzle, and the carpet/bare floor nozzle for curtain cleaning and eliminating cobwebs from high ceilings. It is equipped with powerful brush rolls to allow deep cleaning, a blower port for garage and outdoors cleaning, and includes a triple filtration bag system. You may be interested in some of the best stick vacuum cleaners from our list, so check them out. Number 2. Bissell Zing Bagless Canister Vacuum. This bagless vacuum cleaner is compact and lightweight, allowing you to carry it around your home effortlessly. It features cyclonic technology that makes it effective on bare floors and upholstery. It comes with the easy empty dirt cup, a bottom tank, to empty without a mess. The Zing Bagless Canister Vacuum by Bissell comes with a 15-foot power cord, with an automatic rewind function. With the flip of a switch, change the cleaning setting from floors to carpets. The reusable, washable post-motor filter will catch fine dust and the smallest particles. It includes a service tool, a dusting brush, and a multi-surface floor tool. Purchasing this product, you will be contributing to saving the lives of animals. Bissell is a proud supporter of the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help protect homeless pets. When you choose a Bissell product, you are preventing homelessness and contributing to saving an animal's life. For more quality products like this, check out our selection of the best commercial vacuum cleaners. Number 3. Miele Pure Suction Canister Vacuum Cleaner. The third vacuum cleaner we picked is a little gem by Miele. The Air Clean system ensures maximum filtration with a Miele filter bag, Air Clean exhaust filter, and the motor protection filter, setting it apart from other choices. This innovative system purifies the air of your home, and the self-sealing collar ensures no dust escapes. Miele Canister Vacuum Cleaner is powerful but silent and has an adjustable suction system with 6 different settings. It is lightweight and ideal for both hard floors and low-pile carpet with a foot switch that allows you to switch to other with ease. This vacuum cleaner has a dusting brush, an upholstery tool, and a crevice tool designed to clean hard-to-reach surfaces. It comes with caster wheels for effortless mobility and a 29.5-foot-long electrical cord, specially constructed to be comfortable. Its ergonomic, stainless steel telescopic suction wand will help you easily reach higher surfaces. You can purchase this appliance with a 7-year manufacturer warranty on the motor and casing, and 1-year manufacturer warranty on parts and labor. If you are a pet owner, you might be interested in some of the top vacuums for pet hair, so check them out. Number 4. Dyson Big Ball Multi-Floor Canister Vacuum. Our premium pick in this selection of best canister vacuum cleaners is the Big Ball Multi-Floor Canister Vacuum by Dyson. Its ball technology core components allow the vacuum to turn on the spot and follow you around with zero effort whatsoever. This self-standing, ball canister vacuum picks itself up when toppled over. Equipped with a hygienic dirt ejector that pushes out trapped dust and dirt makes it simple for you to empty and clean it. It comes with a carbon fiber turbine head that helps pick up stubborn dirt. A 5-year warranty for parts and labor gives you the peace of mind you need when purchasing this vacuum cleaner. Our guide to the best upright vacuums features more unique products like this, so check them out. Number 5. Eureka NEN 110A Canister Vacuum. If you're looking for an affordable canister vacuum cleaner, few can beat the Eureka NEN 110A. It provides powerful suction, an easy-to-empty dust container, and a lightweight design that makes it easy to move around. One of the most important features for us is the way it switches between carpets and hard floors. Just click the button on top of the floor tool, and you can vacuum every inch of your house. Then, for those hard-to-reach areas, just attach the 2-in-1 crevice tool, which doubles up as a dusting brush. For less frequent emptying, the dust container has a large capacity of 2.5 liters. You don't need to spend extra on bags or filters. Just rinse the filter under the tap as and when is needed. Despite this large dust container, the whole unit weighs just 8 pounds. That means you can easily carry it around one-handed without breaking your back.